Hello friends, welcome to the training series of Fortinet Firewall Session 5. In this video, we will cover how to create a new interface, how to configure IP address on that interface on GUI, how to create a zone on the Fortinet Firewall and add the interfaces into the zone. So let's start. Navigate to the network and then interfaces. Click on create new to create a interface, zone or virtual wire pair. So let's create interface. So for trial license, we have three interfaces. One is already assigned for the internal, other one is already assigned on WAN interface. So we can use this port 3. So let's start. Click on create new interface. Give name as per your requirement. So I'm going with DMZ, alias, DMZ, type, VLAN, 8023AD, loopback interface, redundant interface. As per your requirement, you can create. So I'm going with VLAN. VLAN protocol you can select and select the interface, which interface you would like to add here. So I'm going with port 3, VLAN ID 5, you can use any, and role DMZ because LAN and WAN already created. So I'm going with DMZ. So how would you like to assign the IP address for this interface? Manual, IPAM, DHCP, PPOE, one arm sniffer. So let's configure the IP address. So 172.16.1.1/24. So it will create an object address also for this subnet. If you want, you can create, else you can make it off. So you can configure the secondary IP address also on this interface using this button. So as of now, it's not required. So administrative access, I don't need HTTPS, SSH, remaining access on this interface. So I'm going with ping only, and then network device detection. If we enable this one, it will help us to detect the device and collect the MAC addresses of this interface, whatever devices are connected on this interface. It will help to troubleshoot the traffic issues. So we can configure the traffic shaping also, limited bandwidth using profile, and here in kbps also. So I'm keeping off. Comment for the understanding, and status should be enabled. Click OK to create a new interface. So due to license issue, it is throwing the error. We have trial license only, and in trial license, we can use only three interfaces. So already we are using this FortiLink, internal and WAN also. So we cannot use this third port. So this way you can create a interface. So let's see how to create a zone. Click on create new, click on zone, name the zone. So I will give name LAN. If you want to block the traffic, intra-zone traffic, you can block, else keep it off. If you want to allow the traffic from another zone to inside the LAN, keep it off. Or if you don't want traffic from any other VLAN or zone, keep it enabled. So add the interfaces. So internal port is our LAN interface. Click here. We have added, if you have multiple interfaces, you can add multiple interfaces here. So click OK. So it is saved successfully. So here we can see zone, and it's recently created. Brown mark we can see here. LAN, then zone, and internal one interface is added here. Double click to open, and here we can see the details. It was all about the how to create interface on GUI, how to configure, how to create a zone, and how to add interfaces into the zone. In next video, we will see how to configure the firewall policy using interface and zone also. In Fortinet, we have a feature we can configure policy using interfaces also. Not like other firewalls like Palo Alto. In Palo Alto, we can add only zone. We cannot add interface. But in Fortinet, we can add interfaces also. Please like, comment, and subscribe the channel to continue with us the Fortinet Firewall Training series and get the notification of new videos. Thank you.